Job hunting while employed? Here's what you should know. So kung nasa sitwasyon ka ngayon na naghahanap ka ng bagong trabaho habang employed pa, as a recruiter, I'll say this right away. Yes, this happens, and no, it's not a bad thing. In fact, maraming applicants namin ng ganyan. Hindi sila umaalis agad pero open na sila for better opportunities. So kung nandyan ka ngayon, here are a few tips and reminders na dapat mong tandaan habang naghahanap ka. Number 1, don't search on company time. Respeto pa rin sa current employer mo. Work is work muna. Mas okay na mag-apply during your free time, less distraction, more focus. Number 2, keep it to yourself. Job search is a personal decision. Kahit pa sobrang close mo sa coworker mo, you can control kung kanino nila mabubulong yan. So the safest move, tahimik ka lang muna. Let your actions speak later. Number 3 is play it safe online. Watch what you post or update, lalo na sa LinkedIn. May mga employer na may alerts when their employers suddenly update their profile or apply elsewhere. Check your privacy settings and keep things low-key muna. Lastly, schedule smartly. Iwasan yung interview na conflict sa shift mo. Request for a schedule during your lunch break or after work. Recruiters will understand. Kami pa mismo ang mag-a-adjust for you. Now here's the thing. Job hunting while employed doesn't make you disloyal. It means you're being responsible about your future, and that's something we respect. And speaking of interviews, minsan tinatanong din, why are you looking for a new job while still employed? Here's one way to answer it.
I am grateful for my current role, but I am at the point where I'm ready for new challenges and growth opportunities. I want to keep building my skills and looking for a company where I can see my long-term development.
That's it. Direct, professional, and walang bad blood. So if you're ready to explore new options quietly, professionally, and with guidance, Metacom is here. To start your journey, click the link in our bio or send us a message.